Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Irene, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a quick reveal showing you guys my newest handbag purchase from Loewe. So if you're interested to see what I ended up getting, then let's get straight into it. So here is the beautiful bag. I did purchase it from Saks Fifth Avenue. Unfortunately, where I live, we do not have a Loewe store. So luckily we're still able to purchase the bag either from Holtz or from Saks Fifth Avenue. And right now they've been pretty stocked, especially Saks. They have been stocked full of Loewe handbags, which I'm very surprised about, but I'm not complaining because I love Loewe. If you guys have seen some of my other videos, my handbag collection videos, you might know that I have two Loewe puzzle bags, one in the mini bag size, and then I have another one in the small size in the sand color. So I started looking at Loewe again and I needed to get this bag. So if you have any guesses as to what I purchased, go ahead and leave it in the comment section below and see if you get it correct. But it does come in this Loewe dust bag. It doesn't come with a box from Loewe or a bag from Loewe. And it also comes in a second dust bag. So you can kind of see it a little bit. I don't know if you can actually see it, but we'll just quickly get her out and show you guys the beautiful ta-da flamenco bag. So recently, not too long ago, Loewe had kind of zhuzhed up their flamenco bag. They have a newer style now, which is updated, obviously. It looks different than this traditional. This isn't even the traditional style. The flamenco bag's been around for decades. This is kind of like a remake of the original. Basically what I'm trying to say is this is not the newest version. The newer version, I'll insert a picture up here in a bit, that it's got different, it's the top style of the bag, it's more refined, I would guess. I would say it's definitely more of a classier, more dressy bag versus this one. This one's definitely more of a slouchy, everyday casual type of style. So I opted for this version. So this is the flamenco, and this is what they would call the regular flamenco size or the medium size. And I got the older model. So how I know it's the older model is if you take a look here, there isn't any Loewe printing on the front of the bag anywhere. All this one does have is on the one side top corner. It's very subtle. I don't know if it'll even pick up here. There it is. There is the monogram for Loewe embossed into the leather. Very, very subtle. The newer versions of this one, so this is technically like two models back if you want to think of it that way. This model here is two models back because the one that's newer than this has Loewe in gold embossed here. And then there's the newest one, which I told you about, which has like that different style. It's been redesigned a little bit. But this is the model that I personally really wanted, and I know that they're starting to phase this one out because obviously they've come up with newer versions. So I was like thinking that I should get it now before they sell out of it and they stop making it. Luckily for me, I was able to find this at my local Saks Fifth Avenue, and this is in the color Warm Desert. I love it. Like I said, this is the medium size or the regular size, and it cinches like this. I was watching Maggiexchuu, is that her handle on YouTube? She owns 3 flamenco bags, and I was watching her her size comparison one, which I found very helpful. So if you're trying to decide between the mini size, the small size, or the mini size or the medium size, this is the next size up from the mini. I found her video super helpful. I'll probably link it down in the description bar below, the one I'm talking about, the video I'm talking about. But she helped me out a ton, and also my one friend who recently just bought the newest version of the flamenco, which is in the size comparison, like the most closely related to this size. Why can I not talk right now? Anyways, this bag is, I was looking at it even like last month. So I've been thinking about it for about a month. And last time when I looked at it and tried it on, I was really thinking I was gonna get the mini size. And then lo and behold, I ended up getting the bigger one, which honestly is for the better. Obviously, I do not regret my decision. this is the interior. It's just one big hole. It is a suede, tan suede lining in there. There are no pockets or anything. And inside here, mine just has like the certificate and like a care booklet, which we don't need to look at. And then the closure is very simple. It's just a magnetic closure, which is a very strong magnet. You can hear that. And then it's got these pull drawstrings. This bag is so soft. This is Napa calf skin leather, and it's so buttery soft. It's so pliable, malleable. The one thing I was unsure about when I was looking at this bag is this leather strap. Because I got technically an older version of this bag, this strap is skinnier. In the slightly updated version where the Loewe is printed right here, for the medium-sized flamenco, the strap is a little bit wider, so if you were to fill it up a little bit more, it's going to be a little bit more comfortable on your shoulders. It won't dig in as much. Whereas this one, this is a very, very thin strap, as you can see. So I wasn't sure about that, but then when I tried on the slightly updated model with the thicker strap and the Loewe printed up front, I actually found that the strap was kind of too chunky. Like, I needed something in between these two sizes that they offered. But really, if I was to think about it, I definitely prefer this one compared to the thicker version of the newer updated model. So I'm glad I got this one. I got the last one of the warm sand in the medium sized here at the store at the time. Another thing to note is that this strap, the shoulder strap, is removable. You can get rid of it. Well, yeah, you can take it off. It is also adjustable. So I have it adjusted to the shortest length, and on me, if I just were to stand up, and excuse if I look a little bit big, it's because I am expecting my second kid. But if you take a look, I know it's kind of hard to see, but this is kind of where it fits on me. It's a really comfortable length. I really like where it sits on me. So that's how it looks on me and I love the look of it with this sundress. But yes, this is such a good bag. And I took it out yesterday for the first time, and I filled it up with my stuff. There's so much room. I can literally put in everything I need for myself, and then maybe even a couple of things for my daughter, but really she has her own diaper bag, so I'm not worried about that. This is more so for mama here. This bag also has a ton of different ways to wear it, so you can cinch it in like this and carry it. I think you're actually supposed to pull it with the other knob. Hold on, let me see. You're supposed to, they say, pull it with this here, leave those little two knots there, and carry it. You can carry it like this. How cute is this? It looks like a dumpling, and that gets me every time. Anything that looks like a dumpling will get me. You can carry it obviously the way I was showing you, which is usually I think how I'm going to be carrying it mostly. You can have it more opened up, you can have it more cinched in, and honestly, like, because the magnet is so strong and it's not a huge bag, like you can see the way it ruffles, it does prevent a lot of your items from slipping out. So it's like so cute. I love the slouchy, and the smell of the leather smells so good. It's just such a beautiful handbag. I couldn't stop thinking about it. And like I said, the fact that this bag is an older version that they're starting to slowly phase out, because it is an older version, it is also cheaper than the newer updated models. The updated models are definitely up in price by, I think the other model I was talking about, which has the Loewe printed here, and then the thicker strap, it's more expensive by $200. And then the very new flamenco bag with the kind of remodeled design is like in the $4 grand something. This is, I paid, including with tax, $3,500, whereas it'll be like $4,500 before tax with the newest model. So there's a huge price jump. So I really wanted to get my hands on this one before I wasn't able to anymore, or before they got rid of the color that I wanted and whatever. So I'm gonna show you guys quickly what fits inside here and show you what I would carry in here, kind of like on an everyday basis, because I have a feeling this is gonna be the bag that I'm gonna be reaching for pretty much for the rest of the summer until I go back to work, and then I'll be wearing my like work bags, my tote bags. So I have my keys, which I'm sure if you guys have watched my videos, you've seen a bajillion times. It's just the key pouch with my keys attached to it. You see how big the interior of this bag is. I love it. This is my Chanel Mini O case, which I use to carry extra receipts that I need to keep, or cash, or additional membership cards or gift cards that doesn't fit in my card, like my wallet, my small wallet. Blotting papers. If you wanted to, you can put your mini pochette in here. My mini pochette carries like some liners, tied to go, my inhaler, eye drops. So some like basic necessities that I need from every bag. I switch from bag to bag. So I'll throw that in there. There's still so much room. Oh, I want to try putting in a planner. So this is my Louis Vuitton, the smallest size planner that they have. And I know for a fact that it'll fit in here with no problems. Look at that. It's beautiful. I can put in, this is the Tier Cushion Foundation, even though I don't use it right now because it has chemical sunscreen and I'm not supposed to be using chemical sunscreen when you're pregnant. I have a powder compact from Chanel. Like, I can fit everything that's in front of me. This is a L'Occitane hand cream, Summer Fridays, like, it just keeps going. More eye drops. This is my favorite Dior Lip Maximizer, Chanel lipstick, like all of that. I can throw in Kleenex because when you have a toddler, Kleenex is a necessity, and all of that fits in here. And will it close? Yes, it still closes. Oh, I should probably throw my phone in there. This is an iPhone 11 Pro, so this is quite an old model. It's not the biggest phone out there. It's definitely a smaller size, but it's about the size of my head approximately. And this can go in here as well. And will it close? Will it magnetize? Yes, it closes. And then I can, even for extra security, just tighten it up a little bit more. And there it is. It is such a cute bag. Look at that. Oh my god. And the sides, like, it's just a little dumpling. The bottom just looks like this. There's no feet on it. And it is so perfect. It holds literally everything that I had in front of me. I have nothing else to put in it to show you guys right now. But yeah, I am in love. I'm ecstatic about this purchase. I'm so excited I was able to get my hands on it. And like I said, I know this is not the newest model, so maybe it's not the most exciting thing for a lot of people out there, but I really like a lot of the Loewe's like styles anyways. So whether it's an older model, newer model, to me, it's as long as I love it. I don't care if it's newer or older, as long and also the price. It makes a huge difference. But yeah, I love this handbag. I hope you guys enjoyed this really quick like reveal video. If you guys own this handbag, let me know what you guys think about it. Do you guys love it? Do you guys still use it all the time? Or if you guys have the new one, do you guys love it as much as my friend does? Because she loves it to death. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. And if you guys enjoyed this really quick video, give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to join our little community here. That would mean a great deal to me. And I would love to see you guys in my next video. Bye.